start, it was back to the tried and tested methods as India's practitioners of the slow art, especially R. Aswin and debutant Akshar Patel, helped Virat Kohli's men clinch a 3-1 Test series triumph over England, stop India's innings and 25-run victory in the fourth Test at Ahmedabad, concluded a series that was largely one-sided, barring England's when in the opening encounter at Chennai, stop like it did in Australia, India surged aside the early loss and turned around its fortunes in riveting fashion. Stop. The pitches on offer, especially for the third game, may not have been idle, tending to age faster, besides providing the obvious impetus to spin. Stop. Despite the surface tension, the strips were in no way diabolical like some of the 22 yards offered in the past, especially in the 1980s when a few pitches made batting arduous. Stop. In the latest series, after skipper Joe Root's double tone in Chennai set the stage for an England ambush, stung India mounted a fiery comeback and ensured that the Englishmen never repeated their heroic of 1984 and 2012, when they humbled the host. Stop para. This was not just another success at home, as the four tests were invested with the larger goal of qualifying for the World Test Championship final in England from June 18 to 22. Stop. Originally scheduled to be held at Lord's, there seems to be some ambiguity as England is grappling with the COVID-19 pandemic's second wave, and there is a push to have it at Southampton's bio-secure Aegis Bowl, which also has a hotel within the premises. Stop. Lords may still conduct the premier clash, but India's rival is certain Kane Williamson's New Zealand, an opponent that stunned Kohli's men in the 2019 World Cup semi-final at Manchester. Stop. Meanwhile, it is time for limited overs cricket to take center stage. Stop. India and England will play 5 20s and 3 ODIs before the Indian Premier League commences on April 9. Stop. For now, Kohli and company, besides the coaching staff led by Ravi Shastri, deserve credit for a splendid performance. Stop. The flowering of Rishabh Pant, Akshar, Washington Sundar and Mohammad Siraj reflects a solid bench strength. Stop. The excellence of youth and the terrific form of Ashwin and Rohit Sharma, papered over the modest returns from Kohli, Ajinkya Rahane and Subman Gill stop. India has topped the ICC test rankings, but in June, under low slung clouds and on an England pitch laced with grass and against crafty New Zealand seamers, a tougher scrutiny awaits. Stop.